Is your washing machine making a loud grinding noise? Or maybe the cycle finishes, but your clothes are still soaking wet and not getting clean? The culprit is often right in the center of your wash tub, the impeller. Welcome to the HnKParts. Today, we'll show you how to troubleshoot and repair a faulty washing machine impeller in just a few easy steps. Let's get that washer spinning again. First things first, safety. We always recommend unplugging your washer and turning off the water supply before starting any repair work. Now, open the lid. The impeller is that low-profile plate or cone at the bottom. Go ahead and try to spin it by hand. It should move freely but with some resistance. If it's stuck or if it spins too loosely without engaging the motor, it's likely stripped or broken. Also, we suggest checking for small items like coins or buttons wedged underneath it. Sometimes, it's just a simple jam. To investigate further, we need to pop off the small cap in the center of the impeller to reveal the mounting bolt. Remove that bolt with a socket wrench and lift the impeller straight up. If it's stubborn, wiggle it gently or use a little warm water to loosen any detergent buildup. Flip it over. See those plastic grooves or teeth in the center? If they are worn down smooth, the motor shaft spins, but the impeller doesn't. That's the problem, and it means a replacement is needed. This is where we can help. You don't need a repairman for this, you just need the right part. Head over to HnKParts.com. We carry OEM impellers, agitator repair kits, and wash plates for all major brands. To install the replacement, simply slide the new impeller on, tighten the bolt, replace the cap, and you're done. It's that easy. For all your appliance part needs, visit HnKParts.com. Thanks for watching, and happy fixing.